that, or right, this is a switch, horn or kill switch with a headlamp dim dip switch. It's screwed onto the headlamp to the handlebars with these couple of little screws. We'll just take them off, and it's got a insulating rubber here which protects the cables and the contacts. That comes out of there. As you can see, it switches like that. Insulating washer from the button, beep beep, kill button or horn button. So she pops on there. That's the rubber, and that screws onto the fixings on the handlebars. It's, some of the earlier models had this. Okay, so they pop on there, etc., etc. Right. Beep beep. Grey cover, 4 cables, not 4 candles, 4 candles. White, yellow, black, and green. Now it's broken. Oh well. Nice switch. Beep beep. Lovely.